everyone, and welcome back to the English Buddies cast. I'm Laura.
And I'm Tom. It's great to be here with you all today. Laura, I feel like today is a special day.
It is, Tom, because today we are going to share a secret, a very important secret for learning English.
A secret? I love secrets. The title of our episode is Forget Studying for Hours, the Real Secret to Learning English. I am very curious. Does this mean I don't need to study anymore?
Not exactly. It means we need to study in a different way, a better way. So let me ask our listeners a question. Do you ever feel tired of studying English? Maybe you study for many hours, but you feel like your progress is very slow.
Oh, I know that feeling. It's like running and running, but never moving forward. It's very frustrating.
Exactly. Well, the secret we are sharing today will help you with that. It will make learning feel easier and more fun.
I'm ready. And for everyone listening, if you are ready too, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this episode. It really helps us create more content for you.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, Tom, to explain this secret, I think a story is the best way.
A story? Great! Who is in the story?
The story is about two friends, David and Maria. David is feeling very sad about his English. Maria, his friend, has a different idea.
Okay, I want to be David. I understand how he feels.
Perfect. And I will be Maria. Let's begin.
Tom, I am so tired. I think I want to give up.
Give up? Give up on what, David?
My English studies. It's too difficult. I study for 5 hours every Saturday. 5 hours! I read big grammar books. I write long texts. And I feel nothing. My English is the same. I feel so overwhelmed.
Okay, let's pause here for a moment. Tom, David used a great word, overwhelmed. What does that mean?
Overwhelmed is when you feel you have too much to do. It's a very strong feeling, like you have a big weight on you. The work is too much, and you feel stressed and tired.
That's a perfect explanation. David feels overwhelmed because 5 hours of study is a lot of pressure. Okay, let's go back to the story. I am Maria again. Oh, David, 5 hours is a very long time. I never study for 5 hours.
You don't? But your English is so good. How much do you study? 10 hours?
No. I only study for about 15 minutes every day.
What? 15 minutes? That's it? That's impossible. What can you do in only 15 minutes?
It's not impossible. It's a secret. It's my small daily English habit. I do something small, but I do it every day.
Like what? Tell me.
Okay, for example, on Monday, when I clean my house, I listen to one song in English. Just one. I listen to it 3 or 4 times and try to sing. It's fun.
One song. Okay, that sounds easy. What about Tuesday?
On Tuesday, I learn one new word. Only one. I write the word on a small piece of paper, a sticky note, and I put it on my refrigerator.
A sticky note. On your refrigerator? Why?
Because I see it all day. When I get milk, I see the word. When I make lunch, I see the word. For example, last week I learned the word sunshine. I drew a small sun on the paper. I will never forget that word now.
Wow, Laura, that is such a smart idea. A sticky note. It's visual and it's repetitive.
Exactly. Maria is creating a habit. A habit is something you do every day automatically without thinking. Like brushing your teeth. You don't think, oh, today I need to brush my teeth. You just do it.
So Maria is making her English practice a small, easy, automatic part of her day. She is not studying, she is just living with English.
You got it. That is the secret. Okay, back to David and Maria.
So, one song on Monday, one new word on Tuesday. What else?
On Wednesday, I watch a short video on YouTube. Maybe a cartoon for children or a cooking video. It's only 5 minutes long. On Thursday, I write one sentence in my notebook about my day. Just one. Today was a good day. I ate a delicious apple.
Just one sentence? But does it really work? It feels so small.
Yes. Think about it, David. A big, heavy rain for one day is good. But a little bit of water for the plants every single day is much better. Your brain is the same. A little English every day helps it grow strong. Consistency is the key.
Consistency. Doing something every day, not one big day of studying.
Exactly. Don't study for 5 hours on Saturday. Study for 15 minutes from Monday to Sunday. After 1 week, you have studied for almost 2 hours, but it feels like zero effort. And it's always fun. You are not tired. You are happy.
Wow, I never thought about it like that. A song, a sticky note, a short video. I can do that. It doesn't feel overwhelming at all. It feels possible.
It is possible, David. That's the real secret. Small steps every day. And that is the end of our story.
I feel so much better, just like David. That story makes everything so clear. The problem wasn't the studying. The problem was how he was studying. He was trying to build a big house in one day.
Perfect analogy, Tom. And Maria was just adding one small brick to her house every day. Over time, her house becomes big and strong.
Now, to see if everyone was listening carefully to the story of David and Maria. It's quiz time. Are you ready, Tom?
I'm ready.
Question 1. Why was David feeling sad and overwhelmed at the beginning of the story? A. Because he doesn't like English. B. Because he studies for 5 hours on one day and feels no progress. C. Because his friend Maria has better English.
That's a good question. The answer is B. Because he studies for 5 hours on one day and feels no progress. He was trying too hard.
That is correct. The long hours made him feel frustrated. Okay, question 2. What is one of Maria's small daily habits? A. Reading a big grammar book. B. Writing a long story. C. Learning one new word on a sticky note.
Oh, I love this one. The answer is C. Learning one new word on a sticky note and putting it on her refrigerator. It's such a clever idea.
It is. And finally, Question 3. What does the word habit mean in the story? A. A difficult thing you must do. B. Something you do every day, often automatically. C. A special talent for learning.
The answer is B. Something you do every day automatically, like brushing your teeth or like Maria's 15 minutes of English.
Excellent, Tom! You got all 3 correct. And for everyone listening, how did you do? Let us know your score in the comments.
So, today we learned the big secret. The secret is that there is no big secret.
That's a great way to put it, Tom. The secret is not about studying for hours. It's about creating a small, daily English habit. It's about consistency.
Yes, doing a little something every day. We learned some great ideas from Maria. Listen to one song in English. Learn one new word and put it on a sticky note. Watch a short 5-minute video. Write one sentence about your day.
These are all things you can do in 5 or 10 minutes. The most important thing is to have fun. If it's fun, you will want to do it every day.
And if you want to practice your listening again, you can go back and listen to the story of David and Maria one more time. It's a great way to review the vocabulary.
That's a wonderful idea, Tom. Thank you all so much for joining us today. We hope you feel motivated and inspired to start your own small daily English habit.
If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with a friend who is also learning English. They need to know the secret too.
And don't forget to leave a comment. Tell us, what is one small thing you will do for your English practice tomorrow?
We can't wait to read your ideas. Thank you for listening, everyone. Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing.